All right, so today I am replacing my headlight motor gear or sprocket on the 97 Corvette. The headlight had been making a bunch of noise whenever I would put it back up or down, sorry, after using it. And so after watching a ton of videos online, I decided that you could do it without taking the headlight cover and the whole mechanism out. So now I'm going to get to putting those parts and pieces back in without a bunch of hassle. So this took me about 5 minutes to get this all apart. I made sure that I kept the spacers and the washers in the correct order. And now I'm going to grease this sucker up. I'm going to put that shaft through that and get to installing in the car. So got the gear all lubricated up, and got the spacer on the back. Alright, so all I had to do is slide this gear in after I lubed it up, and then I will put the cover back on and we'll test this thing out.